All right, y'all, it is chilly out here. I thought it was going to be a little bit warmer, but it is now like close to 5 and it's gotten chilly. And ignore the redness in my face. I'm having a flare up. Isn't this adorable? It's my channel logo. Oh my God, y'all was holding the mic away from me. And my voice is hoarse too. Y'all, I think, I'm not for sure yet, but I think I'm going to grill out steak tonight. It's 66 degrees here. I think I'm going to grill out steak. I don't know for sure, but we shall see. All right, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Misty's Pleasures of Life and good home Southern cooking and bacon. So Janine at Janine's Life, her husband made this shirt, and then I have another one that they made for me too, and it just makes me so happy. And she is so sweet, y'all. She's a wonderful person. I'll put her channel in the description box below. Y'all go check her out. She is amazing. But anyway, let's get started with what we're doing, y'all.
Gather round, let the good times roll. Home cooking magic, it feeds the soul. From pies to stews, every bite's a delight. At Misty's Pleasures, everything feels right.
All right, y'all, we got to season up these steaks that we're going to be putting out on the grill. Now, y'all, don't laugh at me. My grill is really old, and I plan on getting a new one, hopefully this coming week. But we'll have to see. I don't know if, because normally I buy something like that on my credit, or my husband's credit, rather. And so I need to see if I could do it that way, because we really need a new one. And then I'm wanting to get him a Blackstone for Father's Day, but I don't know if I'll be able to do that yet or not. Excuse me. But, y'all, the price of these steaks made me absolutely sick. Do you see this? Do you see that? Do you see that price? Can y'all see that? I mean, I'm thankful to God to be able to afford that. But that is just utterly apocalyptic, end of time, insane price. $51.26 for 3 steaks. Really? All right, $100 doesn't go anywhere anymore, y'all. It does not go anywhere anymore. So we're gonna season these up. All right, y'all, it is chilly out here. I thought it was going to be a little bit warmer, but it is now like close to 5, and it's gotten chilly. And I'm in the t-shirt Janine made me, or her husband rather, and it's cold out here. I need my sweater. Let's start the grill. Nibbles. What are you doing, Nibble? What are you doing, Sammy? What are you doing, Nibblehead? Book of Cheerios is outside. Nibblehead! What's happening?
No, you're not bringing it out here. You're gonna lose it. No one's finding that for you. Stop. No one's finding that for you. No, stop.
Niblet, you smell that? Do you smell it? Do ya?
No. Do not move, Wally. Get in out.
I just dropped the hot dogs on the ground and then stepped on them.
Summer. Artie.
Oh my God.
What happened? I don't know what you're looking at me for. It farted out.
Really, Booger?
I farted and they're like, what's that? Look, almost shocked that it came out of me.
Why, are they looking at you?
Yeah, get in there. Get in there. Go. In the house. Go. Niblet, come on. Come on, Niblet. Niblet, if someone comes over here, I need to close the door.
Where are you going, Booger?
I'm not going anywhere. Get off the top of the couch. Now. Get off the top of the couch. There he is.
Ooh.
Freaking Artie.
All right, y'all, we're going to have to close our tent here, our grill cover, to ensure that our food is going to cook properly. Oh, y'all, look at this beautiful, beautiful steak.
searching, fall apart. Tunnel vision, hiding in the dark. Well, I ain't gonna holler before I really bleed. Salvation, a quick fix remedy. You said I never could change. I thought I never could change. They said I never could change. Damn right, never would. Leave the light on. Leave the light on. Just leave the light on. Yeah, leave the light on.